What's up everyone, it's your boy Shaquille, your guide to living with Apple every day, and I'm going to show you how to reset the Face ID on your iPhone. Go into settings. On settings, you scroll to where it says Face ID and passcode. You then input your 4-digit passcode that you set up prior when you were setting up the iPhone. I'm going to skip this scene. Once you're in, you scroll down to where it says Reset Face ID. You click it. Once you've reset it with your face, you now go to Set Up Face ID. And then you enter your 4-digit passcode again that you used to set up the iPhone. So we're going to go through it step by step. How to set up Face ID. First, position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in a circle to show all the angles of your face. Get started. Hi. Oh. Okay, so that was the first scan. Do you want to use Face ID with a mask? I'm going to say no, set up later. And also, you can select to use Face ID for unlocking your iPhone on the App Store when you're doing downloading of apps or purchases on apps, contactless payments such as Apple Pay, or on websites and stuff like that, or other apps. I'm not going to click on the other apps, but you can disable or enable the other apps to use your Face ID as well to go in and out of them. You could, for example, let's say you are the type of person to never use Apple Pay. You could literally just click off everything and then only use Face ID to unlock your iPhone. Or you're the type of person to never need Face ID to unlock your iPhone and you can just input your passcode instead. Subscribe for more Apple tips.